clear off my desk here. This is usually where I do my makeup in the morning. But this is a pretty big box, so I kind of want to make a lot of room. Hold on. Hold, please. Put you right here. Crooked. I got this. Ooh. This is the Sukoshi Mart Advent Calendar of 2023. This is actually my first... where am I going? This is actually my first Advent calendar. I have a podcast with my good friend Anna, and our podcast is called the OA Podcast, also known as the Op-Ed Average Podcast. We were talking about holiday stuff and Advent calendars, and I figured I'd do some market research. It's a bad excuse to buy something, but I wanted to see what it was like, because this was influenced by TikTok. So let's check out the inside. It looks like this. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. Ta-da! It was up for pre-order, and this is actually from Canada. And Sukoshi, as it says in the back, Sukoshi is Japanese for a little. We carry a little bit of everything exciting in the world of Asian beauty and lifestyle. Our mission is to bring joys, big and small, closer to you. Their promise is Sukoshi Mart guarantees 100% authenticity of our products. We are an authorized seller and trusted partner to major global brands, including Hybe, Playline Friends, Genshin Impact, SanX, and more. I, for one, am not going to wait. I'm just too excited. I figured I'd unbox with you guys. So, let's get into the first box. Day 1. This is the box that they shared on TikTok and influenced me to buy. So, I think I remember what's in it. So, there's actually multiple products in the first box. Popular products like Romand. I think that's how you say it. Romand. It is their Glasting Melting Balm. We have Romand Twinkle Pen Eyeliner. Ooh, look at that packaging. We have Peri Peraz Mood Glowy Balm. Ink Mood Glowy Balm in the shade 3, Rose Thought. And lastly, for the first box, we have Clio. It's a Pro Eye Mini Palette in Falling Nude. I should probably open those, right? Yeah, let's open those. It looks like that. Ooh. That's really pretty. Pretty as well. It looks like another like balmy type of product. Wow, okay, my swatching. So the bottom one is the one that I have on my lips right now. It's the first lippy, and the top one was the second lippy. Ooh, the Twinkle Pen Eyeliner. I'm still on the first one. I'm sorry, I'm slow. Why do I do this to myself? A little thing of glitter. Yeah, right there. It's like very subtle. The last object that was in box 1 is the Clio Mini Palette. These are the shades. I'm sorry it's picking up super hollow and reflective, but that's the packaging. Very interesting to see if that'll fit on my skin tone. Let's open box number 2. Oh, it's also a multi-box. Oh, we have another Romand product. It's the Lip Mate Pencil. This is the shade, taupey shade. Do you think it's in taupe? It's like this. Look at that packaging, the ombre. It's a very blunt tip for a lip pencil. Ooh, but that's super creamy. Oh, it's like, it's taupe. Ooh, Beauty of Joseon. Beauty of Joseon. This is the Light On Serum. Think of vitamin C serum. Now I paid $150 for this box. I feel like the first 2 boxes already gets you pretty high up there for each product individually, but let's keep going. So 2 boxes were pretty big. This is Box 3. It's a hair clip. This is not gonna hold up half of them. Oh no, it could be half of my hair. I usually need a very big clip, but I also don't hold my hair in clips in general, so this could be cute, nice and neutral. Let's see how much hair it can hold. I also don't know how to put my hair in a clip. Okay, well that's terrible. But can you see it? Can you see it? This is the 4th. Oh! It's a cat magnet! That's not a magnet. I thought the hole was a magnet. Oh, it's a little ceramic key. Cute. So, like a paperweight. Is that how that would go? Oh, cute. Okay, so it's not exactly all beauty and makeup and skincare and stuff, but I like that. That was cute. We're going on to number 5. If I had to guess, maybe it's a keychain. As you saw on the front of the box, they had that little, I think it's a Shiba Inu. I think there's a protective coating over this keychain. It's like the main guy on the box. Looks like he's got a little buddy, but that's cute. 6. If you're a fan of Sanrio, it's Cinema Roll. Cinema Roll. I love socks. Box number 7. They're earrings. These are cute. Little dainty little bows. They're like little pearlescent bow studs. 8. Oh, it's a bigger one. Number 8. Oh, it's the Good thing it wasn't glass. But this is the Docto Round Lab. I think it's Docto. But it's the Round Lab toner, I think. Tono. Yeah, I think it's toner. I've been trying to learn Korean, and I think I can pronounce words in Korean. I just don't know what they mean. But I've actually tried that toner before. We picked up some when we were in Korea last year, and we went through all of it. So by we, I mean me and my husband, because my husband gets to benefit from my skincare stuff. Back to the tiny boxes, number 9. Oh. It's a scrunchie hair tie. Scrunchie hair tie. Oh, am I supposed to untie this? Will I break it? Oh. So it is a scrunchie. I made it ugly. Damn it. Oh no, I can't fix it. It looks stupid now. Okay, so if you get this box, don't untie it. I like that it is a strong elastic because I got a lot of hair to tie up. Let's go for number 10. Ooh, it's washi tape. It's a panda. I don't know what that is. Elephant. What is that? Koala? Penguin? Yeah, it's like a little roll of masking tape. I actually like the stationery, and I've actually been really interested to get back into bullet journaling, so that could be fun. Number 11. Oh, it's Meiji. I don't know why it's so puffy. I think it's to prevent it from getting smushed. But it's a little pouch. It's a little pouch of snacks. I don't want to open it right now, but it feels like it's a few pieces of something. Maybe I'll share when my husband gets home. Maybe. 11, 12. Ooh. Do I sound a little bit more and more disappointed? I guess I'm just more and more surprised about what's in here. So a little bit more Sanrio stuff. It comes in a little pouch. Maybe it's supposed to be like a blind box. Oh. It's just one. It's in Japanese, so I don't really know what it says. It's probably a blind bag, which is why it's in a foil. Oh, it's Pachaco! I don't know, it's a brown one. It's kind of blown out, but it's another scrunchie. This is Hattie. Oh, there's cinema roll. Oh, okay, okay, so it's multiple characters. They're just different colors. Cute. 13. It's a little sample size of Estura Ado Barrier Cream, and it's Korean. I've heard about this. I haven't tried it myself, so excited to try. 14. You see? That's it. It's stickers. It's the same thing as the keychain. I think this guy's new. I don't know. It's stickers. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. Do I look disappointed? 15. It's a cute little snowman with a cat dog on top of it. This box is so big. I think it could have fit one more in here. I'm just asking for too much, but it's this sample size of Torden Dive In Soothing Cream. I have Torden in face masks, and they're pretty hydrating, so that's cool. But that, with this size box, come on. I think you just needed a box to fill in the space. 16. It's Miffy! It's a keychain, or like a little wristlet keychain. Got a little teddy bear bunny. Oh, teddy bear buddy. And then a little wristlet. Miffy. It's like a plasticky wristlet, so. Thank you. Oh, that's a pretty dense keychain. I'll attach my other keychain on it and it'll just be jingling all over the place. 17. Oh, it's a smaller clip. It's got little hearts on the side of it, but this is a baby claw clip. I mean, it's cute if I just need to do that. Ooh, I am showing my little bald spot. Let's do 18, almost there, almost there. What is this? Oh, it's a sticker sheet. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like little stickers. Okay, okay. Again, for my little bullet journaling moment. Oh, this is a different shaped one. It says Happy Holidays with that little guy from the keychain. We got a tuber. Kurenje. I'm gonna need to translate that. But Round Labs, very good. And then another beauty of Joseon. It's a ginseng essence water. Ooh. I think this is actually a mini size. They sell like bigger bottles of this. But this is a decent size to try out. Number 20. It's more treats. Ooh, are these gummies? Gummy strawberry flavor. You can feel them, they're squishy. Ooh. I guess another thing that I'll have to share with my husband. Or maybe not. 21. There's just these big boxes, they just make it look so big. It's a sample size of Laneige's Lip Sleeping Mask. Berry. I think I've tried this before. Big boy. 22. Oh, by Wish Trend. It's the Vitamin A Amazing Bukashal Night Cream. Interesting. I haven't heard of this brand. It looks like it's also Korean. You are the standard. 23. Look at this guy. Oh, cute. Oh, it's a phone charm. Or it's a camera charm. I do need a new little wristlet thing. I don't know if I'm going to put that on my camera, but it's a little beaded charm holder thing. And then the last one. I actually already know that what this is. It's the biggest box of the box. 24. I know what it is. Oh, I don't know what it is. There's more than one in here. Let's start with the big one. It's a full-size toner. It says keep things simple. It's the Anua Heart Leaf Toner. I've heard a lot of things, and sadly, a lot of current things is that it's not a good brand. I could be wrong, but I am excited to try this because people said it's really good. And I love toner. Then the last one is an eye cream. Oh, I thought it said Mary Kay. It's the Mary and May tranexamic acid and glutathione eye cream. Interesting. This thing is huge for an eye cream. 30 grams? I don't know. This seems like a lot for eye cream. It's gonna be useful for a while. Okay. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I would say it's quick on your end, but this was actually very long. It's already 5 o'clock and I got home at like 4. I guess we're done. My camera says we're done, so we're done.